Before we get into Roblox scripting, here's a quick reality check. Most people don't take notes at all. If that's you, you're wasting your brain's potential. Just watching won't cut it. You'll forget most of it by tomorrow. Now, if you do take notes, listen carefully. A 2014 study by Mueller and Oppenheimer compared 3 groups of people. Those who don't take notes, those who type notes, and those who write them by hand. And guess who came out on top? The handwritten note takers. Why? Because writing notes by hand forces your brain to think, summarize, and process actively, whereas typing usually just means copying without thinking. If you want to really master scripting and not just scrape by, start by opening a pen and paper. Take notes like a warrior. It'll make every second you spend here multiply in power.
Hey, I'm Classic Dev. This series is for people who hate filler and want real scripting mastery fast. Every episode is clear, direct, and designed to build your scripting brain, not just show you buttons. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up Roblox Studio. Make sure that everything's downloaded and good. Then you're going to need to unlock your tools. Go to the View tab. Turn on Explorer, Properties, and Output. And then drag these where you want. These tools are like your radar, your scanner, and command terminal. You'll need all 3 to script with precision. Now, the first thing we need to do is to introduce how scripting works. Scripting works just like how real life works. Cause and effect. In real life, if you pull a door handle, it opens. If you click your mouse, your screen lights up. You flush a toilet, water moves. Every action has a trigger. Every trigger causes something. Cause and effect. That's what scripting is. You're not writing commands. You're building chains of cause and effect. In code, nothing runs until it's been triggered. Scripts don't think, they just react. Alright, now let's move on to the difference between script and local script. In Roblox, there's 2 types of scripts and local scripts. Here's how you'll remember them. Think of scripts as Roblox HQ, the master server. When a script runs, it affects everyone. It's the boss. But HQ can't see when one player clicks. Only that player can see their own screen. So you use a local script. It's the player's personal brain. Local scripts handle things you do on your own screen. Click a button, local script. Move your camera, local script. Equip a tool, local script. But here's the thing, only the player sees it. You could use a local script to spawn a fake sword. You'd see it, but nobody else would. That's exactly how exploits work. Local scripts pretend things are real when they're actually not. Now, let's map out the battlefield, your explorer. It's split into 2 sides. The server, green icons, cloud symbols, which are secure, and the client, which are yellow folders, personal, local. On the server side, you have workspace, which holds your physical world, lighting, which controls the atmosphere. Server storage is hidden data, which only scripts can see. And server script service, which is where your most powerful secure scripts live. And on the client side, you have starter GUI, which holds screens and UI. What the player sees, starter pack is the tools the player carries, and starter player configures their character and brain. Inside starter player, you've got 2 folders. Starter character scripts, which runs code every time the player respawns, and starter player scripts, which runs code once they join. See the pattern? The Roblox server script handles truth, and the player local script handles perception. So now you understand this. All scripts are reaction based. Every line of code you write is waiting for a trigger. Once the event fires, boom, code activates. No event, no script. And just to recap, server equals control, client equals experience, code is cause and effect. You're not typing instructions, you're wiring a system of reactions. In the next video, we'll wire your first real event. One action, one reaction. Code will activate. See you there.
Before you go, this part matters more than anything you just watched. A landmark study by Carpick and Roediger in 2008 found that active recall, forcing yourself to remember and apply what you've just learned, can improve retention by up to 300% compared to just reviewing notes or watching passively. That's why I built a custom game to go with every video in this series. It's not optional, it's the training ground. Each lesson has a playable mission where you apply what you just learned, cause and effect, scripts versus local scripts, all of it. You don't just watch coding, you do it. You fail, fix it, and get stronger in real time. So hit the link, run the mission, and prove yourself you've actually got it.